Hey everyone, so we just hit 500 subscribers about 2 weeks ago, and to celebrate I decided to do a gift card giveaway. So I'll be giving away two $25 gift cards to Speakeep Shop, so in total $50, and details on how to win will be at the end of the video. Thank you all very much for your support on the channel recently. It's been amazing, and I thought I'll do a quick Q&A, and this is going to be my first Q&A on this channel just to answer some of your guys' questions. Do you use your phone for filming? If so, are you planning on getting a camera, or are you happy with what you have? So yeah, as most of you know, I film most of my videos on my iPhone. Like this video right now is being filmed on my iPhone, and I don't really plan on getting a camera because that would probably be quite expensive, and I would rather just save up that money to get something else rather than get a camera, considering my iPhone already works pretty well. If you ever started your own cubing company, what would you name it? Chubby. Swimming over cubing or cubing over swimming? So as most of you guys know, I am a competitive swimmer, and I'm gonna have to go with swimming over cubing, obviously because I have been swimming for much longer and invest a lot more time, energy and effort into the sport than I do for cubing. The next question is from my friend Ram. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's your favorite color of the alphabet? I think my favorite color of the alphabet will be J-Pum because he makes some really good basketball videos. Alright, next I'm gonna get some questions from my Instagram. So I have two questions that basically say the same thing, like basically if I have any tips for growing the cubing channel, and I think my most major tip would be to get your thumbnails right, because a lot of cubing channels, even though their videos are actually not too bad, a lot of the thumbnails aren't very eye-catching or very visually appealing, so not many people will click on them. So just make sure your thumbnails are neat, make sure your thumbnails don't have too much words on it. Like, you don't want a thumbnail with like 20 words on it, right? You're not writing an essay on your thumbnail, just a few words and a picture of a cube or something, and it should be pretty good. What's your favorite YouTuber? I'm actually not too sure, because I mean, I don't really have a specific person who would be like my favorite, but obviously I have a few people that I watch, people like J-Pum, Tingman, Ram, and a lot of other people who I just watch on a regular basis. Amazing Cuber asked the same thing, who's your favorite YouTuber, and he also asked what was my happiest moment in cubing, and I'm not sure if it counts, but it'll probably be when I hit 1,000 subscribers on my old channel. That's not really cubing, but I guess it kind of counts. Alright, and lastly, I'm gonna take the questions from YouTube, and UK Uber asks, would you recommend learning cross and EO instead of full OLL? So for those of you who don't know, cross plus EO basically just means that when you're solving your last pair, you orient your edges so that you have a cross OLL instead of learning full OLL. I wouldn't really recommend it. I think it's just better to get full OLL out of the way. But if you're not really too serious about cubing and you can't be bothered to memorize all the algorithms, then that seems pretty good. But if you are interested in like getting fast, then definitely go into full OLL. Why are you not posting on the other channel? So I have this second channel called Cuberzz Emissary Practice VG WRM 2021 edition, and it's my second channel, and I did post quite regularly, but recently I haven't posted that much, so I guess I should start posting more on my second channel. So I'll probably upload a video on my second channel in a couple of days, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that. Link in the description. When are you going to upload the map of famous Cuber map again? So I had this series before, basically just a world map, but it's famous Cuber. So I basically just took the world map, but I put famous Cuber's faces inside. So I don't know if I'm gonna be doing another episode very soon, mainly because I feel like most of the well-known Cubers, I've already like put them in episodes 1 and 2. So for the other episodes, it's gonna be mainly like random Cubers that not many people know, and I don't think that's gonna be very fun to watch. Who's your favorite Team SCS member whose name starts with C and also has Rubik's in it? So it's definitely gonna have to be Crimson Cube's Rubik's. He makes some really good content, and he's just a really good YouTuber in general as well. He's quite underrated. Will you ever make a video about swimming? Probably not. I mean, my audience doesn't really care about swimming, and I don't really think that making a swimming video will fit at all on this channel. Unless like in the future I branch out more beyond cubing, then probably. But for the time being, when I'm focusing on cubing videos, nah, probably not. Alright, so that's about it for the Q&A, and let's get into the giveaway. So I'll be giving away one $25 gift card on this channel and one $25 gift card on my Instagram. So to win the $25 gift card for YouTube, just subscribe, leave a like on this video, and comment below what kind of videos you want me to make in the future. And for the second gift card on Instagram, just click the link in the description, and that will lead you to a post on my Instagram that will give you rules on how to enter for the second $25 gift card. So thank you all so much for 500 subscribers, and I mean the channel's been doing really well recently, and I'm really happy with it. So just thank you all for your support in general. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.